How to open joint account Koho. First, open your web browser. Tap on the search bar, type Koho, tap search at the bottom right corner. Now, open the first website, tap on Sign Me Up. Enter your email address, create a password. Tap on Create Account, enter your full name. Select your date of birth, tap Next, enter your address. Tap Next, choose your occupation, tap Next, enter your phone number. Tap Next, enter the OTP code, complete the sign-in process. Once your personal account is set up and verified, the joint account feature becomes available. Koho offers a joint account with a reloadable prepaid MasterCard designed for simplified shared finances. Both account holders will maintain their own personal accounts, plus access to the shared joint account. The joint account features include a real-time sensed balances and spending notifications. Shared savings goals, roundups rounding up purchases into savings, power-up 0.5% cashback. No fees, instant Koho to Koho transfers, and virtual cards. Thanks for watching.